Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you'll be notified.
Hello everyone, Shobik here from Any Online, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about what is flashing and how to flash your device. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Flashing in layman terms nothing but changing of operating system from one OS to other OS. For suppose you might have done this thing before. You are having Windows 7. You must have changed it to Windows 8.1 or you must have changed Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. So that is flashing and nothing else. Flashing is nothing a rocket science, but two things are very much important for flashing. The number one thing is appropriate recovery software, and the second thing is the appropriate operating system which you are going to load in your mobile phone. These two things is very important while flashing your device. And now here I also want to tell you what's the difference between flashing and rooting. Rooting means gaining the super access of your operating system. Super access, like there are some limitations which you can for modifying your system settings or customizing the operating system as per your choice. And now moving on back to flashing. In flashing, you the things which we require is the software. See, before performing any flashing, I must tell you, if you guys have a better edge knowledge in this computer and mobiles, then only go ahead, watch the videos or tutorials on YouTube, and then only perform the flashing. Why? Because if you make a single mistake in the softwares or if you don't follow the instructions properly, your device may get bricked. Bricked is nothing but the condition in which your mobile phone will become exactly a machine without a software, like a box, like an empty box it will become. And what are the things that we required for flashing? The things which we required are: number one is unlocking your bootloader. Yes guys, for unlocking your bootloader, there are for different companies or for different manufacturers, the process is a bit different, or I would like to call it a bit similar. Why? Because for unlocking your bootloader, you will have to go to your developer's bootloader unlocking page. You have to log in that. You have to log in make a login in that website, and then proceed further. And you'll have to also mention a reason why you are unlocking your bootloader. Then only you will get the permission. When your permission is granted, after that the process which is there is different for different manufacturers. I'm going to give you examples regarding MI and Motorola. Why? Because I have some experience regarding this Motorola routing and flashing. In MI, the thing is quite simple. Just what you have to do, a website is given. I will give the website link in the description below. That is, you visit that link, click on that link, then you have to log in your MI account using your MI account, and then you'll have to provide your name, mobile number, and the reason why you want to unlock your bootloader. Many people write like different reasons, but guys, if you want to unlock your bootloader, do write appropriate reason. And do for suppose maximum people prefer to write is I am an app developer and I want to test or run the apps which I develop. So by writing this, many of the people write this reason. And for in MI, for this unlocking the bootloader, it takes nearly 7 to 10 days. It's basically written on that website, but in my case, I applied for the permission at night 11 o'clock. Yeah, at 11 o'clock, and in morning 6 o'clock, I saw that a message will come in your mobile number which you have provided there while filling for while applying for the permission. I got a message like your unlocking your bootloader has been like a permission has been granted for unlocking your bootloader. After getting that message, again I will provide some links in the description below. This is only for Redmi 4 guys. Yeah, and now for if you talk about Motorola, in Motorola you can get the permission instantly. You didn't have you like don't have to wait for few time or like 6 to 7 hours how we have to do for MI. After unlocking that bootloader, there is some particular software. Then you have to like I had a very actually I and one of my friend has teamed up and made and we did this flashing and routing thing on a Motorola G5, and the experience was really bad. And I will recommend if you want to do flashing, then buy this Chinese brand phones like the Oppo, Vivo, and even MI is the best. I would like to say in terms of these things. Like the process is very simple. If you follow the procedures perfectly, the whole thing of unlocking your bootloader to flashing your device is very simple, and it's very difficult if you see Motorola and Lenovo and other those type of manufacturers which have the stock Android. So now moving on to next thing is we were discussing about the process. First, you need to unlock your bootloader. After unlocking your bootloader, I will provide a link in the description below. You download that software. This is for Redmi phone, okay? And if you want me to provide link for your devices, you can directly message me in our Facebook page, that's Android support, or you can directly message me in my Instagram. So now moving on to next is a software is there. You have to like put your phone in the fast boot mode. Fast boot mode is nothing but you have to press first you have to switch off your phone, and before switching off your phone, this is very important, enable your USB debugging mode. It's very important. And for unlocking your bootloader, the important thing is after you got the permission, you need to download a software of MI that's called the MIUI unlock software. You have to download it in your laptop, and after downloading it in your laptop, then you have to do is connect your phone using the USB, then switch off your phone. After switching off your phone, you'll have to like again restart your phone using by pressing the power button as well as volume down button, so you can enter into the fast boot mode. When you are entering into the fast boot mode, then you will have to like enter in that software, MI unlock software in your laptop. You'll have to enter your MI credentials, your username and password, and after that logging after further logging, it will check whether you have applied for the permission or not, or your account has any permissions or not. When after that checking process is over, then it will ask you to do this thing to connect your phone using via USB and put it in the fast boot mode. So then in laptop you will have a further option called unlock your device. So you just simply click on it and then wait for a minute or two, your device bootloader gets unlocked. So this is the first step for flashing. And the second thing is after flashing, after unlocking your bootloader, you will have to give the you have to install the TWRP recovery software, which is very important. For installing the TWRP software, again links will be there in the description below. Go there, click on that link, download that file, then put your phone in the fast boot mode and connect it via USB. And in the software, in the later video, I'm also going to show the whole thing of flashing. But if you guys want me to make a separate video regarding this TWRP, how to install this TWRP, do comment down below or message me in my social handles. So yes, after installing this TWRP software, the recovery software, the process is quite simple. You will have to basically select the operating system which you want to flash or put in your mobile phone. Then the process is further. In this video later you can see, I will put a screen, not a screenshot, I will try to put a screen recording, otherwise the whole process I will show you step by step. So yes, so there are, now let's talk about different ROMs. There are different types of ROMs available in the this internet stuff. In the internet there are different types of ROM available, and the top 2 to 3 or 4 top 4 ROMs which maximum people put in their phone is, number 1 is Lineage OS, number 2 is this Resurrection Remix, this is another ROM, third is MIUI Pro ROM, this is only for MI users, or non-MI users can also install it. Yes, Pixel Experience software. So there are top 5 ROMs which maximum people prefer to install in their phone. ROM means the operating system which we are discussing here. The Pixel Experience ROM. This is the best ROM available for your phones. I believe for Motorola, for each and every Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, Motorola, MI, this Pixel Experience ROM is available. Link will be there in the description below. Go down, check the link, and you can find out the different, according to your phone, you can get the Pixel Experience of OS downloaded. So now from here, you are going to see the video step by step how to install the Pixel Experience in your phone or flashing. So let's check out. This video informative, do smash the like button, and if you have any queries or if you want to ask or is anything or if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment below or do send your messages to our social handles. So thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one.
Let it go, ain't nobody go. Take our bodies higher.